Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be playing a troll lobby. And I'm going to rage quit right away, so be prepared for this to be a short video. Okay, we're searching it up. And now we are sadly loading it. Okay, so this is going to be a very, very short video, I'm pretty sure, because I'm going to rage quit. Oh my god, I feel like everything is a troll. I feel like everything is a troll. Okay, wait. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, guys. I got this. It's easy. See, I just got flung. I'm already raging. I'm only on the second stage. Okay. Yay! Yippee! Okay, come on. Oh my god. Bro, I'm already raging. This is not funny. This isn't funny. Girlie, this is not funny. This isn't funny, girly pop. This is not funny. Okay. Yes! Okay, wait, what am I supposed to do here? I mean, look under. There's nothing there. So what am I supposed to... Okay, this is rigged. Literally rigged. Oh, so now I gotta step... Let me guess. I'm gonna step in the spaces or something? Like, what? Girl! Didn't even touch it. Oh my god, I'm raging already. This is so mean. So mean. Okay. Oh my god. I was ready to start saying okay. Oh, bro. That's mean. Okay, my jump button is stuck. That's... Oh my god, my jump button is stuck. Why is it low-key helping, though? It's low-key helping, though. Wait, why is it low-key helping, though? Oh, my God. Yes! Slay jump button. Okay, slay. That was easy, but... Oh, bro. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Jump on the sign or something? I'm gonna jump on the sign? Maybe the jump button is not slaying right now. Okay, now I'm gonna have to, like... Bro, what? Wait, what? Okay, this jump button is making me mad. We're just gonna quickly, like, reset. Right here. Reset? Okay, so now that we're back, my jump button is back to normal. This should be easy. Slay. Okay, now what? What do we walk on the spaces, bro? That's what I thought, bro. I'm just gonna walk straight through. Oh, never mind. I'm just gonna walk the other way. Maybe. I don't know. I don't understand this. Let's just walk the other way. See, I'm so slishit. Bro, don't tell me I have to jump on these things. Do not tell me I have to jump on these things. I will fail this so bad. Oh my god. Okay. This is easy. Well, that one was. What are these gonna do? Oh, they roll, so they make me fall off. Well, now jump button. That would be a good time to spam. This girl is here. Oh, my God. I don't think she can do it. Okay, so what if you had to jump in the middle? Yeah, I'm helping her. And she died. I'm helping her. I'm such a good person. Another day, another kind act. Okay, guys, this is really easy. Like, just what? Huh? What? Excuse me? Okay. Is there, like, a hole or something? What is happening? Stop. This isn't funny. Oh, wait, guys. There's an around. I'm so stupid. Not this girl already going around. I'm so stupid. Well, that sucks. I better not die, bro. If I die, I owe you all ice cream. I owe all my subscribers ice cream if I die. I take it back. I took it back before I fell. Okay, well, if I die, if I rage quit, I'll owe you ice cream. I'll owe you guys ice cream. So, hit me up, okay? Comment if I owe you ice cream, okay? Because I will buy you ice cream if I owe you ice cream. The sweet smell of rage in the evening. Okay, I'm almost here, guys. Stop. The corners are tricky. I'm almost... Yes, I'm such a queen. Such a queen. A wall. What is it going to be, like a ladder or something? Like, do I have to go around? Like, bro, wait, what? What do I have to do? Oh, this ladder. Wait, there's a ladder. Wait, where'd the ladder go? Yo, where'd the ladder go? Wait, where'd the ladder go? Okay, we got on the ladder. I wish everything wasn't invisible. I wish it was super easy, obby. I know it wouldn't be fun for me or for you guys. Actually, this is not fun. This is kind of torture, not gonna lie. But this is kind of fun. Okay? I hate troll obbies, but this is okay. This one's okay. Now, what do we have to do here? Okay, we're slaying right now. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just jumping and like, okay, how the hell did I fall for that? The oldest trick in the book. I fell for it, bro. It's not even a troll. I just went. Oh my god. I think the troll is people thinking that it's a troll. That's totally not just me, right? Common if you've played this game before. Okay, what do we have to do here? Wrong answers only, guys. Oh, I think that's the right answer. Wait, 1 plus 1 is 4. Oh, bro, it's not wrong answers only. It's right answers only. Shut up, bro. If I am me and you are you, who is the dumb? Me, right? Me. Bro, obviously it's me because, like, have you looked at my brain? Have you looked at my brain cells? Oh, wait, what? They both disappear? Wait, what? I'm running and spamming my jump button. This is gonna be impossible. Wait, do they disappear or something? Yeah, they do. Bro, wait, what? How am I supposed to get up? Why am I doing this to myself? This is so hard. This is such a mean obby. I mean, why can't we make a troll obby that's nice? Like, have you all never heard of a nice troll obby before? I haven't, but because it's troll, but like still, like, bro, a nice troll obby would be nice. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna grab a squishy with my one hand. Can y'all hear it? Can y'all hear the ASMR? I can't. I can't even hear it, and I'm like right next to it. Okay, we are still doing this, and I'm getting really annoyed. I might rage quit soon. Oh, this one's better. Okay. Well, I'm gonna probably rage quit this soon, because I feel very monetized, and I'm now... Oh, God, I'm gonna die. Okay, now what do we do? Ask my question. Now what do we do? Is there, like, something to do here? Like, is there a, trick? You know what? Skip the stage. That's because I'm a freeloader and it's free. So you guys know I had to do it. I had to skip it. Yeah. Okay, this seems very, very easy. It's obviously not, but it seems like it. Okay, wait, what? Why won't you let me in? Huh? I'm trapped in a box. Actually, outside of a box. I'm trapped outside of a box. Oh, never mind. Okay, bro, just enter. I can't use my other free skip. Just enter. Let me enter. This isn't fair. It is so mean. I hate your guts. You are Houdini. This isn't fair. This is so mean. I hate your guts. You are Houdini. Actually, Houdini's pretty cool. Anyway. The alpha in me is gonna come out. This is so hard. I'm gonna die. Stop. This isn't funny. This isn't funny. This is not funny. Who thinks it's funny, bro? This troll obby is so mean to me. Now I'm stuck. That's nice. Okay, wait. Okay, look. This is not a conversation. It's a do or die situation. Guys, if you know the sentence, can we be friends? No, I'm kidding. I don't really like the sentence anymore. I did when I was like 6, though. And I understood all the, like, dying and stuff. Because I was a weird 6-year-old. Can we be friends? Are we? This girl is my lifesaver. She's gonna help me, okay? I know she is. She's gonna get it. She's gonna get it. Oh, what is this? Away from my screen. I can't see what she's doing. Off my screen, I say. Off my screen. Off my screen, I say. Off my screen. Off my screen. Please. Please. Now I can't see what she was doing. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. What did I open? Does anyone know what I opened? Please help me. I don't know what I opened. This is not... It's not funny. What am I in? Wait, what? What's Sigma? Kate, this is not funny. You know what? I'm rage quitting. Goodbye. This is a short video. To any of you who betted, I owe you guys ice cream. And, so yeah, that was my troll lobby. And I want to get to at least 20 likes. If I get 20 likes and 10 more 4 more subscribers to get 10, I will do another video. Now, goodbye, my Jordan fans. Whew.